Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the secure DNS settings in Chrome Dev on your mobile device. This is an important feature that can help you browse the internet more securely. First, open Chrome Dev on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to access browser options. After that, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security and tap on it. Next, find and click on Use Secure DNS to start configuring your DNS settings. Then, choose the option that says Choose another provider. After selecting that, click on Custom to enter your own preferred DNS provider. You can now pick a provider from the list or type in the one you want to use for better security or speed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.